A prompt library is a personal collection of well-written prompts that you save and reuse for common tasks. Instead of writing the same prompt from scratch every time, you store templates and examples that work, then customize them for new projects. This lesson teaches you how to build, organize, and maintain your own prompt library to work faster and more consistently with AI tools. Workforce targets. Define what a prompt library is and explain why it saves time. Identify tasks in your daily work that could use reusable prompts. Create at least 3 prompt templates tailored to your role. Organize and label prompts in a way that makes them easy to find and use. Customize a template prompt for a specific task. Explain how a prompt library improves consistency and quality. Key vocabulary for the prompt, we have prompt library, reusable template, consistency, customization, version control, documentation, workflow, prompt variations. Think of a task you do repeatedly at work or school. How many times this week did you do that task? Then if you had a perfect template for that task, what would it look like and what information would you put in it? So think about the spots that you could have brackets that you could swap out the text in your template. What problems happen when you write similar prompts from memory instead of using a saved version? And where do you currently store information you need to use again, like notes or documents? Lesson 7. Today you will learn how to create a personal collection of prompts that you can reuse. Instead of writing new prompts every time, you will save and organize templates that work. By the end of this lesson, you will have started your own prompt library with at least 3 working templates. What is a prompt library? A prompt library is simply a folder, document, or file where you save prompts that work well. Think of it like a cookbook where you keep recipes you like to use. Each recipe is a prompt that you have tested and know produces good results. You can copy a prompt from your library, change a few words for your new task, and run it immediately. Why build a prompt library? Building a prompt library saves you time because you do not have to start from scratch each time. You also get more consistent results because you were using the same structure and instructions. Your best prompts are preserved so you do not lose them. Teams can share prompts so everyone works the same way. Finally, you can improve your prompts over time by testing different versions. Finding prompts worth saving. A good prompt to save is one you will use again, such as summarizing emails, writing product descriptions, or analyzing data. It should produce results you are happy with. Look for prompts that take time to write or ones you struggle with. Pay attention when the AI gives you an output that is exactly what you needed. That is a prompt worth documenting and saving for next time. How to organize your library. Organize your library by category such as writing, analysis, coding, or customer service. Use clear names for each prompt so you can find them fast. Add a brief description of what each prompt does. Include any special instructions or tips, such as what kind of information to paste in. Some people use a simple spreadsheet, others use a document with sections, and others use special prompt management tools. Creating a reusable template. A template is a prompt with blanks that you fill in for each new task. Instead of your topic here, you write the actual topic. Instead of tone, you write formal, casual, or excited. Start with a prompt that works, then replace specific details with labels like skill, audience, or format. This lets you use the same structure for many different tasks. Are elements of a good template prompt? A good template has a clear job, such as write a customer email. It specifies the tone or style, such as professional or friendly. It includes any important context, like who the audience is or what information to use. It has blank spaces marked with brackets, like your name or product. It ends with clear instructions on what format you want, such as a short paragraph or a numbered list. Version control and improvement. Keep different versions of your prompts as you improve them. When you find a way to make a prompt work better, save the new version with the date or version number. Write a note about what changed and why. Over weeks and months, your best prompts will get better and better. You can compare versions to see which ones produce the highest quality outputs. If you work on a team, your prompts library becomes even more powerful when shared. Everyone uses the same prompts, so the quality is consistent. Teammates can suggest improvements to prompts. One person spends time perfecting a prompt, and everyone benefits. Many teams now store prompts in shared documents or special prompt management software. Your prompt library action plan. Start small with 3 to 5 of your best prompts. Write down exactly what each prompt does. Add clear labels for the blank spaces you will customize. Store them in a place you can access easily, like a Google Doc or spreadsheet. Use them for your next real tasks. Then add more prompts as you find ones that work well. Your library will grow stronger over time. For the guided build, open a new Google document or Microsoft Word document and title it My Prompt Library. Think of one task you do regularly, such as writing emails, summarizing info, or creating social media posts. Write out the best prompt you remember using for that task. If you do not remember it exactly, write a new one from scratch. You could feel free to have AI help you in generating some prompts to use to add to your prompts library for the given task. Then test the prompt with an AI tool that you have been using, such as Gemini or Chat. Run it and check if the output is good. If the output is good, copy the working prompt back into your document. If the output is not good, adjust the prompt and test again. Add a label above the prompt, such as email writing or data summary. Underneath the prompt, write one sentence describing what this prompt does and when you would use it. Now convert this prompt into a template by replacing specific details with labels and brackets. For example, change your name to your name or casual to tone. Add a note listing all the bracketed labels and what information should go in each one. Save your document and share the link with your instructor. This will prepare you for your lab. You'll open your prompt library document that you created, and you'll create a second prompt template for a different task. Test the new prompt with the AI tool at least twice. Keep notes on what outputs work and which ones did not. Adjust the prompt based on your test until you are happy with the results. Convert it to a template format by adding bracket labels for customizable parts. Add documentation beneath the template explaining when to use it and what each bracket label means. Create a third template prompt for a different task, following the same process. Write it, test it, improve it, convert it to a template, and document it. Organize all 3 templates in your document with clear headings and categories. Write a short summary at the top of your document explaining what your library is for and how to use it. This will lead you to your portfolio artifact. Here are the common problems with their given solutions that you might need for this lesson. Be sure to read over the best practices and to complete your reflection journal. And that